Last year in November, the impossible thing happened. A 7-year-old kid broke the 2x2 single world record. And yeah, pretty much a Polish kindergartner has taken over the 2x2 world, which is awfully surprising because older cubers like Mats Falk, Felix Sandex have been surpassed by younger cubers like Yiheng Wang and other kids around the same age. And I really didn't expect the record set by Guano Wang to be broken anytime soon, at least from a cuber that's 70 years old. But what a lot of people like to say about the world record single is
Get some help.
Is that it has to be lucky. And I mean, it is very lucky. You basically need a 4 mover to get it, which is 1 in 5,000 or something. But once again, there's a lot of pressure that comes in the solve. Not only that, but you have to be in the right mindset. It has to be a good day, you have to have the right finger tricks, and etc. There's a lot of things that go in it. And yeah, you technically have to have a lucky scramble to at least get the world record single. Let's say you get the scramble a few times at home. Now imagine getting it in a competition. The pressure is insane. So you're a 70-year-old from Poland named Teodor Zajder, however you pronounce that, cause I'm not Polish. And by the way, I'm not lying. I've never heard from this kid.
You always lie.
He's really good in a lot of different events. And I think he's very underrated. Not just talking from his age, but in general. He's a very good cuber. I don't know about the Polish people, but they have something in them. Because look at Timo Koleszyński, bro. And you get this one chance to break the world record. I mean, every person in the competition knows how good you are. And got everybody filming on the 144p quality cameras for some reason. Because apparently you cannot record in a higher resolution than that. Actually, every video I see from this guy is 144p quality. It makes no sense, except this one though. I'll link it down below. The execution is very good. The finger tricks and just everything in the solve is amazing.
Nice.
There's not a better way to do it. The most surprising thing of all, he solved it in 0.43 seconds. Despite it being 4 moves, I dare you.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Yeah, you. Get your 2x2 cube if you have one. And do 4 moves and try to get less than 0.5. Even though it's a 4 mover, it's very hard to execute. Now, imagine getting a 0.43 solve in a competition. That's just bonkers. So let's just say this was a pretty unique solve. In the past, we've seen 3 mover inserts into a PLL skip. It's just less intuitive and it's much harder to execute because of the finger tricks. So good for him. But is this solve even legal in the first place? That's my question. Well, in all regulation, he should be. He doesn't stop the timer before the light turns green, and the position of his hands are good. So I don't see anything illegal. And trust me, I've seen some weird things before. The thing that shook me is that this average was a 1.10. And that's a little bit off from the European record, which is 1.09. That's unfortunate. But again, I'm really proud of this guy. Shout out to Teodor Zajder. I'm practicing on my Polish. Yeah. Shout out to Teodor Zajder. Shout out to Teodor Zajder. Shout out to Teodor Zajder. I'm practicing on